Hello my friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can clean your condenser unit, the coil on your condenser unit. So this is not very dirty, but I always want to keep the clean to get the good result. As you can see, here is a little dust. So I want to show you how to clean that, and you're going to get the best result on your condenser coil. Alright, stay with me. Alright, I have two products to use. One of them is the coil cleaner. It's for your coil, so you can clean your coil. And the second one is the Evaporator foam no rains cleaner. So you can use the either one. So this is mostly for your evaporator inside, but also you can use it for outside too. But today I just gonna use this product. Alright, let's go show you how to use it. That's simple. You just shake it and spray it. Alright, after you spray it, so you're gonna sit for 5 minutes. So, and after that you're gonna use your hose and start cleaning the unit with the hose. So I put it on you can put on the jet, or another one, but always go up and down like that. So that's gonna help your condenser to work better. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna keep doing that all four sides, so all get clean. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.